For a 19 to 21 inch head, I've used a mandala ombre yarn. It's a 3-weight yarn. And then for about a 22 inch head, I've used a 4-weight yarn. Red Heart Super Saver in latte stripes, a lovely ombre color, and polo stripe. Today for this tutorial we're going to be using Red Heart Super Saver Papaya and a 5.25 millimeter hook. If you're a loose crocheter, you might want to go down a hook size. Start with a magic circle. Chain 1 to secure, and inside the magic circle put 4 single crochet, 4 half double crochet, and 4 double crochet. Pull the magic circle tight. And then insert a stitch marker into your last double crochet. I'm going to use a paper clip. For the next round, put 2 double crochet in each stitch. You'll end with 24 stitches. When you get to the end, move your stitch marker and then insert it into the last double crochet of that round. For your next round, put 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And this is the pattern that we're going to repeat for this round. One double crochet, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. For the next round, we're going to be putting 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. This is the pattern we will be using for this round. One double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets. To decrease this row to make it even, we're going to use half double crochets, 3 of them, and then 3 single crochet, and then 3 slip stitches. Now we won't be working in the round anymore. We'll be starting our first row of crisscross double crochet. First, pull up a loop of a different color, or you can use the same color if you'd like, and chain 3. Then in the next stitch, put 1 double crochet. Now yarn over and pull those stitches forward, and go back to the first stitch and insert your hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you've made a crisscross double crochet, so skip a stitch and in the next stitch put a double crochet. For your next double crochet, pull your stitches forward and go back a stitch to the stitch that you skipped. Insert your hook from front to back, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. You've made another double crochet crisscross. Now skip a stitch, and in the next stitch put a double crochet. For your next double crochet, pull them forward, and in the stitch that you skipped, insert your hook from front to back, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And complete this all the way around. When you get to the end, slip stitch in the first double crochet to join, chain 3, And in the first stitch, put a double crochet. And we're going to repeat this process all the way around one more time so that you have 2 rows of crisscrossing double crochets. Now for the brim of the hat, once you're done with that row, you're going to want to change color, or you can use the same color if you like, for your slip stitch join. Chain 2, and in that same stitch, put a double crochet. In the next stitch, put a double crochet. And in the next stitch, put 2 double crochet. This is the pattern we'll be repeating around the hat. One double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So all the way around the hat, we'll be putting 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. When you get to the end, slip stitch to join. Chain 2, put a double crochet into that same stitch, and then all the way around your hat, you're going to want to put 1 double crochet in each stitch. Depending on how long you want the brim, you can stop with this row. I, however, went another row. I slip stitch to join, chain 2, and then I did another increase row. I did 3 double crochet, 1 in each stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the stitch after that. I added a peacoat border to this hat, but it also looks lovely with a shell stitch. To learn how to do the shell stitch or the peacoat border, check out one of these videos.